press the bell icon for all the updates.
Jacqueline, if you could update us upon the preps, how many hours and the days before you started shooting?
So first of all, I watched a lot of Madhuri ma'am's music videos and all of her dancing, her expressions. I did that for like about a good month, and I was just continuously on YouTube, just watching her, and I mean, like I've always been her fan, but when I really dove deep into the work that she's done, it was like my respect for her is just multiplied by even more. And then Master G spent about a good 5 days. 5 days we were rehearsing, but we were like really rehearsing from day to night. And one specific day, Master G just like, I think for about 6 hours, every single movement, every single step, every single expression, he like made me do it 50 times. He made me watch him, then do it, then watch him, then do it. Then, I mean, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of prep. We've worked extremely hard. I know, like, even with Ganesh sir, he's really worked on the song to do justice to it. And I feel like we have a responsibility to each other as well. I have to do justice to his choreography. You know, he has to do justice to, helping me as well, with this song. So we've really kind of like worked together on this as a team, as a proper team.
कोशिश वही की है बेसिकली।
क्या कितना टाइम लगा ड्यूरेशन वो आइकॉनिक स्टेप करने के लिए? आपको कुछ प्रिपरेशन तो ज़्यादा लगे होंगे, कितने टाइम सो गया?
30 सेकंड।
No, it's really funny, but that step is actually something that
You all can do that step, yeah.
और उसमें क्या था, मैं शूटिंग में था, तो उसके जो शब्द है 14, 15, 16, 17 उसके एक्सप्रेशन है। 14 को तेरा संदेशा आया, 15 को आऊँगा ये कहलाया, 14 को आया ना 15 को तू तड़पा के तूने क्या पाया। तो वो अंतरे में जो उस वक्त मैंने देखे थे सरोज जी के, वही किया हमने सरोज जी को उनके ही तरीके से और मतलब पेश करनी हुई। फिर जैसे 17 है, 18, 19 से 20 को दिल के टुकड़े हुए 20, तो वो सब एक्सप्रेशन वही शब्द है, सिर्फ उसको हम लोगों ने पिक्चराइज थोड़ा नए तरीके से किया, मूवमेंट है, लेकिन एक्सप्रेशंस वही है। और
one thing that Master G also focused on a lot was my expressions. He was like,
she's fantastic.
He's like, he focused a lot on that. And what also, Ahmed and Master G kept saying is, they kept telling me, do you know what this song means? Do you know what she's saying? You know what Mohini is singing? Do you know what? So it got into my head so much. I'm like thinking like, oh my God, she's waiting and she's waiting and she's waiting for this guy. And it's actually, we really went into this song so much. But he's worked a lot on my expressions, which is something that, it's a very new and different style for me. This is something that I've not attempted ever, which is why I was very shocked when Ahmed came to me with this song, because all of these, even this hook step, this is not something, I'm not a trained classical dancer, and Bollywood is, it's something I have been doing, but it's not a forte, but this is like really.
इस गाने के बाद हो जाएगा।
जैसे कि इस सॉन्ग के बारे में जब आपने चूज किया तब you really wanted to keep some things which could really relate to सॉन्ग को, और वक्त के साथ क्या चेंजेस किया है?
ये राइट, देखो हमें 1, 2, 3 की 2 चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी तरह याद है। एक तो माधुरी मैम की वो पिंक आउटफिट टैसल वाली, और दूसरा है स्टेप। तो आई जस्ट सेट के आई टोल्ड गन्या मैं सेट बना दूंगा, मैं लुक दे दूंगा, लाइटिंग पे ध्यान दे दूंगा। 2 चीज़ मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है एज ए डायरेक्टर। एक है वो पिंक आउटफिट जो मनीष मल्होत्रा को मैंने कहा मनीष पिंक, एंड वो बोलता रहा नहीं मतलब मनीष दे, एंड मनीष ने दी। एंड आई रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू कीप सरोज जी जो मेरी गुरु रह चुकी है, उनका आइकॉनिक स्टेप। ये 2 चीज़ हमें याद है। एंड उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि गणेश आचार्य ने इस गाने में खुद का एक जो तड़का डाला है, विच आई एम नॉट अशेम्ड और आई वोंट रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम सेइंग, कुड बी द न्यू 1, 2, 3 आगे ले जाएगा। एंड आई होप एंड आई प्रे दैट वी आर गिविंग द न्यू मोहिनी टू everybody.
I hope so.